Elementals associated with earth, air, fire, and water embody the pure essence of their respective elements. Earth elements dwell in rocks and soil, providing stability and fertility to the land. Air elements inhabit the skies, representing freedom and intellect as they ride the wind. Fire elementals, like salamanders, are associated with transformation and energy, embodying the fierce power of flames. Meanwhile, water elementals, seahorses, and mermaids are linked to emotions and intuition, residing in lakes, waters, and oceans. These enchanting creatures symbolize humanity's timeless connection to the natural world and its mystical forces. Take a walk in nature. Have the wind kiss your cheeks. Let the earth inspire your ideas. Feel the warmth of the sun on your cheeks, and may the water calm your mind.